we will see how to create a Python file. We will close that. Again, we will open that file to run. So first I will open Python IDE. So this is Python IDE. Now I want to create file. So I will click on this new file. So now new file is created. Now I will write here one simple program. A equals 30, B equals 40. Then I will take C equals A minus B, print subtraction C. So this is my result. So now this is our Python file. Now I will save this file. I will click on save as. So now it is giving me this default path. Don't ever save your file in this path. So now I will go desktop. So here I have one folder Python practice. Here I will save it as sub prg. So this is my file name. Now this file is saved. Now, so this is our program. So if I run this, I got here output subtraction minus 10. So now I will close this. Everything I will close. Now I will open again ideally. Now I will open that file again. So here you have to click on open. So now we need to search path of the file. I have saved here in this Python practice folder. Then I will click on this file. I have opened it again. Now I want to run. Now I got the output.